Hi everyone! Today we're going to build a barcode scanner in Flutter. By the end of this tutorial, we'll have a simple barcode scanner that can read barcodes and display the results. First, we need to make sure our development environment is ready. We also need a mobile device for testing. To get started, we can open the online documentation and follow the step-by-step user guide. Let's start by adding the SDK to the project. Go to the root directory of your Flutter project and run the command to install all dependencies. The SDK provides a ready-to-use barcode scanner component. This pre-built widget lets us integrate barcode scanning quickly without worrying about the UI, so we can focus on other parts of the app. After installing the package, we import the SDK and paste the ready-made barcode scanner snippet into our app. That gives us the scanner UI so we can test right away. In this tutorial, we'll also dive into the code and show two scan modes. First, let's define the widget. We need to create a button that launches the scanner. This button we'll call the Launch Barcode Scanner function. Next, we'll add a size box to display the scan results. The results are stored in the display string variable and shown on the screen. Now let's move to the home page section. Here we'll finish setting up what we defined in the widget. We create a configuration object to set up the barcode scanner. It tells the SDK how to scan. First, we need to set the license. We can get a 30-day trial license from the documentation by clicking the trial license link, and copy the license key to replace the code here. Next, we set the scan mode. The configuration supports single or multiple barcode recognition. For now, we'll start with single scan mode. After that, the code opens the Dynamsoft camera interface and waits for the user to scan a barcode. Once scanning is complete, we can get the result. The code then checks the status of the scan. If it's successful, canceled, or has an error, we update the display string variable and refresh the UI. If the scan succeeds, the first barcode is displayed. Now we can run the code and test it. In single scan mode, the scanner may detect multiple barcodes in view, but it still returns only one result. The user has to scan and choose which barcode to capture each time. This mode works well when we only need one item per scan. However, if we want to retrieve all detected barcodes in a single scan, we need to switch to multiple scan mode. To do that, we update the configuration to enable multiple recognition and then adjust the output code so it can display all returned results one by one. We can run the app again. Now we should see multiple barcodes being detected and displayed. Besides these basic scanning features, the SDK also provides advanced options. These options help us customize scanning behavior to fit different scenarios. We can check the documentation for more details. Thanks for watching. Head over to our website to get your license and start a trial, and we'll see you next time.